The big question is, where do we come from? To put it simple, we take a journey back in time to see how we evolved as modern humans or Homo sapiens. Our journey started in Africa 6 million years ago. 2.8 million years ago, humans started using tools, but they didn't make any progress until when they discovered and mastered fire. As a human species, we are not the only one who lived on Earth. Far from truth, because at least 6 kinds of humans or ancestors ruled before us on Earth, such as Homo habilis, Homo erectus, which emerged 2.8 million years ago, lived 10 times more than what we live till now. Other kinds like Homo florensis or the Hobbit, they were short in height and lived in the Isle of Java. The latest ones like Neanderthals and Denisovans, they shared with us our early existence on Earth. If we break our whole existence till our present days, we need to start looking from the period called Stone Age. The Stone Age began about 2.6 million years ago, when researchers found the earliest evidence of human using stone tools, and lasted until about 3300 BC, when the Bronze Age began. The Bronze Age is typically broken into 3 distinct periods: the Paleolithic, the Mesolithic, and finally the Neolithic period. Humans weren't the first to use stone tools. Some 3.3 million years ago, an ancient species that lived on the shores of Lake Turkana in Kenya, they were making stone tools 700,000 years before Homo genus emerged. Some experts believe the use of stone tools may have developed even earlier in our primate ancestors, since some modern apes, including bonobos, can also use stone tools to get food. Stone artifacts tell anthropologists a lot about early humans, including how they made things, how they lived, and how human behavior evolved over time. Early in Stone Age, humans lived in small nomadic groups. During much of this period, the Earth was in an ice age, a period of colder global temperatures and glacial expansion. In this period of ice age, humans hunted large mammals, including woolly mammoth, bison, and deer. They used stone tools to cut, pound, and crush, making them better at extracting nutrients from animals and plants than their earlier ancestors. About 14,000 years ago, Earth entered a warming period, and many of the large Ice Age animals went extinct. In the Fertile Crescent, a region bounded on the west by the Mediterranean Sea and in the east by the Persian Gulf, wild wheat and barley became plentiful. As it got warmer, some groups of humans started building permanent houses in the region. They gave up the nomadic lifestyle of their Ice Age ancestors and began the farming. Human artifacts in the Americas began showing up from this time too. Anthropologists aren't exactly sure who these first Americans were or where they came from. Though there is some evidence, those Stone Age people may have followed a footbridge between Asia and North America, which became submerged as glaciers melted at the end of the last Ice Age. Much what we know about the life in Stone Age and Stone Age people comes from these tools they left behind. The Bronze Age marked the first time humans started work with metal. Bronze tools and weapons soon replaced earlier stone versions. Ancient Sumerians in the Middle East may have been the first people to enter the Bronze Age. Humans made many technology advances during the Bronze Age, including the first writing and the invention of the wheel. In the Middle East and part of Asia, the Bronze Age lasted from roughly 3300 to 1200 BC. Ancient Sumer may have been the first civilization to start adding tin to copper to make bronze. Archaeological evidence suggests the transition from copper to bronze took place around 3300 BC. The innovation of bronze brought an end to the Stone Age. Different human societies entered the Bronze Age at different times. Civilizations in Greece began working with bronze before 3000 BC, while British Isles and China entered much later, around 1900 BC. The Bronze Age was marked by the rise of states or kingdoms such as Sumer, Babylon, and ancient Greece. In the next episode, we're gonna look at the earliest civilizations such as Sumer, Egypt, and ancient Greece.